1224 here on this very sunny Monday around the area. Cold front moved through early this morning. Not a big front, but it did help dry the air out, push some of those clouds out from yesterday. And now we're back into lots of blue sky this afternoon. And I think we'll see more sun most of Tuesday and Wednesday. You might see one or two clouds by Wednesday, but generally a lot of blue sky the next couple of days. That's keeping temperatures back mostly in the 70s for highs. Next cold front, well, sort of one that's trying to come through later Thursday or Friday, maybe a stronger push of some cooler air by late in the weekend, by Sunday and next Monday. So next few days, though, do look pretty nice. If you like today's weather, next couple of days look pretty good with less wind around, it looks like. 70 degrees right now in Weslaco. We've come up another degree since the start of the new newscast. 69 in Port Isabel, 70 in Rio Grande City, and feeling pretty good out there too. The wind gusts are still gusting up occasionally up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Not really an all-out windy day, but nice little breeze going at times. And this wind, I think, will die off fairly quickly once the sun goes down, and will make way for a somewhat chillier night compared to the last couple nights we've seen. Dew points are down mostly in the low 40s. A very dry air mass in place. It was getting a little more humid, not like muggy humid, but it was coming up a little bit higher on the chart last night ahead of the cold front, but now things are looking a little cooler. So this evening, if you're out, I think temperatures do go down fairly quickly. About 66 at 7 p.m. with clear skies, 56 at 9 p.m. and down about 53 at 11 o'clock. We should be in the 40s late at night, probably down in the low to mid 40s as things kind of settle down tonight. But the evening hours, mostly in the 50s once the sun goes down, and the mid to late evening hours, kind of a nice cool evening. Now lows tonight, like I said, could dip down into the low to mid 40s by morning. So if you're up early tomorrow morning around 6, 7 a.m. or towards sunrise, probably going to see numbers close to this on your thermometer. That's about the coolest part of the morning, around 45 in Harlingen, 44 in Edinburgh. So it will be a little chilly tomorrow morning, but very little wind around for the start of Tuesday. You can see lots of clear skies now. The cold front is right there over the last 12 hours. There's the movement of it. It's now basically out of the picture. We missed out on all the rain. The air is just too dry here, and it does look like rain chances are near 0% all the way through the start of the weekend. Future track does show sunshine around today. There's 4 p.m., nothing but blue sky. Sun goes down, maybe a few wispy high clouds it shows, but generally a clear, cool night as we go into tomorrow morning. And then on Tuesday, sun's back again. Temperatures likely back up in the 70s one more day with less wind. I think Tuesday's winds will be very light. I mean, we've seen winds 15, 20 miles per hour today. Tuesday's winds probably like 7. You can probably count it on one hand maybe at times, the speed. So it's not going to be much wind tomorrow. Wednesday, you see a few clouds trying to increase, but still a lot of sunshine around. The warmer air trying to pull back in ahead of the next cold front. So Wednesday's temperatures might be a couple degrees warmer, but still out of the next 3 days, well, today, Tuesday and Wednesday, Wednesday's probably the warmest out there, but not any big warm-ups coming. So the first 7-day forecast, highs around 72 today, 73 you see there for tomorrow. And you know what? Oh, I totally messed that up. This is the wrong 7-day. Now this is the right 7-day. There we go. Oh, that's what happens when you get confused in my old age. 74 today. There we go. Mostly sunny and breezy. 74. I was quick to catch that, though. 74 tomorrow. 78 on Wednesday. Might see one sprinkle Wednesday night if the cold front gets here close enough. But you see on Thursday, partly cloudy skies. Could be a little windy on Thursday, depending on the speed of the front. Some of the models have the front coming through later in the day, maybe holding off until Friday. But it does look like temperatures will drop some Friday. Lows in the 40s, highs near 70. And then another push of chillier air by later Sunday that could cause a few showers. So no huge temperature drops quite yet, but we'll keep tracking it in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.